Hello everyone, this is Robert at HomeCraft here at our newest listing in Farmington. This one is spectacular. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, completely updated ranch, walkout lower level. You gotta check this one out, come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Farmington ranch. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.